Hi guys, today we will explain how to find and join random Instagram groups. So let's get started. The first thing is open your Instagram application. Once it will be open, take a look on the right top, you will see your message icon. Click on it, once you will get access to your Instagram messages. On the top, you will see a search bar written as Ask Matter AI or Search. Click on it, and here simply search for a group which you want to join, like if you're a gamer and want to check gaming group. Then here you can write gaming group. After writing search for it, below you will see multiple groups which you can join and get chat with that. If I click on random one, here you can see I can chat in this group. If I scroll back, below you will also see the channels, or if you are a cricket lover, then click on the search bar and write cricket, and here you will find multiple cricket groups. If you click on that, you can see all. You will explore all the groups which are available on Instagram, so join any of these into chat. And that's it.